Hey everyone! Let's design the off-road version of the beautiful VW ID Buzz. Welcome to Electric Design. My redesign will be based on the original car with the purpose of delivering rugged and adventurous appearance without changing the base design too much. For this redesign I picked four major inspirations: the original VW Microbus, the Tesla Cybertruck, two-tone off-road body style, and SUV camping. I personally think the VW ID Buzz is one of the most interesting and anticipating electric cars to come out in the near future, thanks to the cute and fun design, as well as the practical and adjustable interior. I just can't wait. So I decided to design the off-road version of the VW ID Buzz, hence the meteoric rise in popularity of crossovers and SUVs. The main change will be the lower bodywork. I replaced the sheet metal with rugged black plastic, like in many off-road vehicles, and by that I turned the ID Buzz to look like no other car, with a half body ready for serious off-roading, without the fear of scratching and damaging the sheet metal. I took an inspiration from the stainless steel body of the Tesla Cybertruck, but stayed away from the heavy metal and used a much more common off-road material, as well as creating a distinct and unique two-tone body style look, as well as a practical solution, much like the base design, unique and practical. I also raised up the body in order to gain a greater ground clearance, like every appropriate off-road vehicle should have. Next up is the front fascia. I really like the new interpretation of the nostalgic look of the original Microbus. VW managed to deliver a futuristic look with a sense of the past and the car's legacy, unlike most of their new lineup of electric cars, especially the unpleasant ID.4. By the way, I redesigned the ID.4 recently, so you can check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. I created an air curtain at both sides of the front in order to gain a better drag coefficient, while keeping the smiley contour of the original bumper design, a common element in the new electric design language of VW. I used the geometric pattern of the fog lights, but minimized the number of light sources in order to gain a clean look with a resemblance to fog lights from rally cars. I also wanted to have a glimpse for the past, so I replaced the white VW emblem with a metallic one like in the original Microbus. I also blacked out the rims in order to continue the two-tone style. I stretched a thin line going along the silhouette of the two body sections with the VW electric green color for decoration and to enhance the two-tone style. I inflated the wheelhouses in order to gain an off-road stance, but keeping it flowy like the rest of the design, much like in Land Rover's models of today. For last, I wanted to emphasize the adventure side of things by adding a roof-mounted racks supporting a tent for a complete off-road experience, like many off-roaders like to do. I personally traveled in a van across New Zealand, and it was amazing living in your own mobile home and wake up every morning in the middle of nature. Definitely recommended. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the VW ID Buzz 4x4 off-road. Who said electric cars are boring? So, what do you think? Did you like the two-tone style? Tell me in the comments below. There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.